Let's try and get a quick reality check. Let's actually get under the clouds with my colleague Soisha Sawant, who's joining us from Mayur Vihar, and also Milan Sharma, who joins us from the Central Secretariat. What exciting time, ladies, to try and understand if this experiment will really work or not. Everybody is waiting with bated breath at this point. I'm sure the politicians are as nervous as everybody else कि ये काम करेगा नहीं करेगा. So I'll come to Milan on that in just a bit. But Soisha, I want to come to you. Is there any trace at all? Are you picking up from SkyMet, from Weather Department, that the weather is conducive? Because seeding has happened. Now we have to sit back and go back to wait, sort of praying to the weather gods, as it were, all over again.
Sonal, you've very correctly put every aspect of it, and I was listening to you all along. And you very, very rightly said, until the rain gods are happy and until the rain gods agree, they say for a reason, man proposes, God disposes, and seemingly that is what is happening right now, because while the seeding has been successfully done, but no signs of rain really that are out there as I stand in Mayur Vihar being one of those places where it was supposed to rain. And we in the newsroom until a few hours ago, when Manjinder Singh Sirsa had said that about 15 minutes to 4 hours is the time that it will approximately take for the rains to be witnessed, for about 20 minutes, but that has not happened so far. I quickly want to take our viewers through the statement that was also released by IIT Kanpur just a short while ago, saying that they successfully executed a cloud seeding operation over Delhi, a corridor measuring roughly 25 nautical miles in length and 4 nautical miles in width, the largest distance covered between Khekra and north of Burari. The first round involved 6 flares that were released at an altitude of nearly 4,000 feet above the ground level. Born duration of 18.5 minutes. A second flight that took off at 3:55 p.m., that is 4 p.m. approximately, deploying 8 flares at a higher altitude of around 5,000 to 6,000 feet. So that is the technicality of the fact that the seeding has happened successfully, but the rains that have not happened, at least in this part of the national capital region of Delhi that we are talking about, Mayur Vihar. Now again, to understand that the weather conditions have to be conducive and all that criteria has to meet. So when we are talking about the atmospheric moisture, when you're talking about the humidity levels, that also has to match for these chemicals to react. Silver iodide and sodium chloride, for it to form the nuclei to be able to get the rain droplets. So
what these components do is they make the clouds, if they are present there, slightly heavy, and then the job is actually, will it rain or not? So we have to all wait to actually see that happen. Milan is also with us. Milan, how nervous is the environment minister right now? Wondering if this gamble has worked for him. Now, this is a tricky one because many are saying if it rains, then people will say it's because the rain gods had their way. If it doesn't, everybody is going to, pose a question to Mr. Sirsa ki bhai kya hua? Aapne itna experiment karaya, 3 rounds of seedings have happened. 2 has happened, 1 is scheduled to happen a little later in the day as well. What's happening at the Delhi Secretariat as we speak?
Well, Sonal, this is the beauty of science, because science works like this. You do all sorts of experiments and then you watch as the experiment unfolds. And that is something that is happening in the Delhi Secretariat right now. Everyone is waiting with bated breath to see whether or not this experience is going to move forward and work in the long term as well. And we are all waiting for it to show some results, for it to rain, but nothing has happened as of now, perhaps because of the way science works. The whole day it's been smoggy and hazy. There's been very little cloud cover. The issue seems to be the lack of moisture in the dry air. That is perhaps not really reacting well. Even for cloud seeding, clouds are necessary, as you just explained. But what is fantastic right now is we are looking at a spotty, hazy, foggy, smoggy environment. When you look at the sky, you feel it's cloudy, but it's not. It's actually a thick grey haze cover.
Yeah.
And on top of that, the clouds that you see are very small. So, you know, the gamble with this experiment is actually a big one, an ambitious one. But this is not going to be the only sortie that the government is going to try and use to make cloud seeding a success. And certainly with the IMD, they're saying that this temperature is going to remain the same for the 3-4 days. Perhaps, you know, it would be prudent enough to look at a moisture-filled day. And we're not going to see these days more often now as the temperature continues to drop. So that's the beauty of science, and that is the gamble with science that the government is now taking, at least to make sure that the pollution level comes down. But the particulate matter is just being trapped all around us, and we're all going to be coughing soon in this hazy air until and unless it actually drizzles a little bit and gives us respite.
And the window is actually long as well. It's anyways from 30 minutes to 4 hours. It could actually go on for longer as well. So we don't know how long we'll have to actually wait for this. And then there's also the question on whether or not this happened because of cloud seeding, or was it a natural phenomenon? So there are lots of questions, which makes the story super duper exciting. Thank you both for joining us. And I hope you have your umbrellas out just in case it starts to rain.